In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add watermark in Darktable. Watermarking is a simple way to brand your photos or add subtle copyright information, and Darktable makes it flexible and non-destructive. Start by opening your image and switching to the darkroom view. The watermark module lives in Darkroom, not in Lighttable, so make sure you're working in the right place before you begin. Once you're in Darkroom, enable the Watermark module. Open the module list and look under the Effects group. If you don't see Watermark right away, use the module search and type Watermark. When you find it, enable it so the controls appear in your sidebar. From here, everything updates live on your image, which makes dialing in the look quick and intuitive. Before configuring the settings, decide which type of watermark you'll use. Darktable supports SVG and PNG files. SVGs are vector-based, which means they scale cleanly to any size, perfect for text or a logo that needs to stay crisp on different resolutions. PNGs are bitmap images and can work well for custom graphics, especially if they include transparency, but they won't scale as cleanly. If you have both, SVG is generally the best choice for consistent results. Now let's set it up. In the Watermark module, start with the Marker option and choose the SVG or PNG file you want to apply. If your SVG includes a text placeholder, such as watermark text, enter your desired text in the text field. This lets you reuse the same SVG while changing the wording on the fly. Next, pick a font and color for the text used by that SVG. Choose a color that contrasts with your photo so it stays readable without being distracting. Adjust opacity to control how subtle the watermark looks. A slightly transparent mark usually feels more professional, letting the image shine through while remaining visible. Use scale to set the overall size. Keep it large enough to read, but not so big that it dominates the frame. Choose an alignment to position the watermark. Corners are common for discrete branding, while the center can work for bolder protection. After choosing the alignment, refine the placement using the X and Y offset controls. These nudge the watermark relative to your chosen anchor point, helping you avoid edges and important details. Take a moment to preview the result and make small tweaks to opacity, size, and placement until it looks balanced. That's all it takes. Open your photo in Darkroom, enable the Watermark module, choose SVG or PNG, and configure the marker, text, font, color, opacity, scale, alignment, and offsets. You've added a clean, customizable watermark in Darktable.